Hello everybody, today I got a package from Cube Depot in the mail. It's a little like smudged because it was wet. It's raining today. It's actually snowing. It's the first day of spring and it's snowing, which made me kind of sad. But yeah, I'm gonna open it. I ordered this, actually I can't really even tell you, but it was shipped on the 17th. So yeah, it was the 18th, the 16th that I bought it, and today is the 21st, so that's 5 days from actually ordering it and having it get here, which is really good. So yeah, I'm gonna open this now. It's a, I'll just show you when I open it up. Scotch tape. Always cut away from yourself. Okay, so alright. So here's one of them. And here's another one. So they're in the same box. They're not the same cube. They both say Dayan Guhong because they're both Guhong cubes, but this one right here, yeah, this is the Dayan 2 Speed Cube. It's on it's made in China, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's made in China. Yeah, so this regular box has this guy with a bunch of puzzles back there. So yeah, let's open this up now. It says, see, he wrote on it, Speed Cube 2, so I'm guessing that's the Dayan 2. They're both the Dayan Guhong boxes though. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. So here it is. Oh, got it in black. Alright, so it feels, for first turns, it feels really, I don't have an F2, but it almost looks like I've seen F2s, like how they're kind of bulgy almost, like pillowed almost, pillowy. Size comparison to a Cube for You, same size. So yeah, this is a Dayan 2. It's a little bit dirty, but alright. So, turning, first impressions, pretty good. It's cold. This outside, so, yeah, the pieces. Just a regular, like, almost like a Rubik's clear colored core. Quarter pieces. There, it's a quarter piece. Edge piece. Yeah, I like this cube a lot actually. I'm gonna leave it, and the tensions actually feel pretty good. Corner cutting, it's not that bad. Doesn't feel like it would pop. So yeah, it doesn't lock up. Alright, so yeah, that was just a piece on the, I guess there's like edge caps. See, edge cap, like, that just fell off, I don't know, we'll probably just glue those on there. Let me start coming out. Yeah, the correct color scheme, everything, so that's good. Actually, I like the color recognition, looks pretty cool. So this is what I'm really looking forward to. It's the Dayan Guhong. Is that right there? So yeah, black. Trying not to rip the box. I like to save my boxes. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I've never actually felt a Dayan Guhong before. So first impressions, it feels really light, actually. Boxes. Oh yeah, it feels really light. Stickers look like the same exact stickers except bigger. Same Dayan logo on there, Dayan Guhong. Size comparison, same exact size. So yeah, these pieces are really, yeah, it's like a, whoa. Probably just sand that stuff down. There's a lot of, he's coming apart. Yes, supposed to. Yeah. Yeah, like, I don't think you can see that, but there's a lot of, okay, extra plastic there from the casting. So it was actually kind of hard to get back in. So yeah, first turns. Doesn't feel that good, but supposedly when you put lube in it, it turns amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna lube it, and I'll probably make a video review of it after I lube it and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is my Dayan 2 and my Dayan Guhong both black. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.